Warren Cat is invested in keeping you running, pumping, drilling, producing, and moving. Located in the heart of our nation's oil and gas territory, the Advanced Engine Rebuild Center is custom designed from the ground up and optimized to provide unique engine rebuild capabilities and world-class service. Increased capacity means your rebuild goes smoothly and quickly, reducing your downtime and increasing your productivity. Warren Cat is where to find people, equipment, and facilities that perform. Our climate-controlled shop and modern specialized field service fleet means our technicians are better prepared and equipped to give your engine the customized expert attention it requires. State-of-the-art technology gives you the highest quality finished product tested to exacting standards, rebuilt by the most qualified professionals, ensuring that your engine has rock-solid reliability and is efficiently producing maximum power. From the smallest Cat engines to the largest, you can rely on the efficiency and precision of our engine rebuild process. The Warren Cat Advanced Engine Rebuild Center features Cat-trained technicians, dedicated disassembly and assembly areas with comprehensive contamination control, 40-ton capacity bridge cranes and 2-ton jib cranes. The oven, up to 35/16 capacity, turns paint, oil, grease, and grime to ash. 2 STINGRAY pressure washers, an ultrasonic cleaner for aftercoolers, crank and cam polishers, MAGNAGLOW for checking cranks and cams for flaws, and component rebuild, which focuses on cylinder heads, water pumps, oil pumps, governors, gas regulators, carburetors, pre-lube pumps, and air starters. Our contamination-controlled assembly bays are optimized for quality rebuilds of the smallest Cat engines up to 36/16s. The paint booth features a 30x80 drive-through design with a downdraft system. Quality Check features one 6,400 horsepower and two 2,700 horsepower dynamometers. We are 3,600 capable, gas and DGB capable, with closed-loop cooling systems and fuel rate analysis to ensure power and efficiency. We also feature a transmission test cell to accommodate the full line of Cat transmissions. The FRAC shop handles complete trailer service, engine, transmission, power end, and fluid end, plus preventative maintenance and repairs on FRAC trailers, Cat trucks, air compressors, light towers, generators, and more. Warren Cat is dedicated to relationships built on trust. And Oklahoma City Power Systems is ready to provide you with a world-class customer experience on your next engine package, power system service, engine rebuild, or equipment rental. We're here to offer you expert services and innovative solutions, because the work we do together powers progress and shapes our world.